Forget the noise for a moment. Step into the immeasurable silence where the air does not just fill your lungs, it heals your spirit here. The world is not the map, it's a living, breathing masterpiece. Winter, the golden hours, as it spills across the canyon floor, turning stone into the liquid fire. Feel the rhythmic surge of the tide. A timeless conversations between the moon and the sea. This is the grand theater in the wild, where every feeling lives as a choreographed dance. In this space, time does not trick, it flows. You are not just an observer in these mountains, you are the part of their ancient legends. The same, the fire, the burns in the sun, burn in you. The same water that carved the earth saves your soul. So let the witnessed recalibrate you. Learn into the void. Listen to the forest. For the heart of the world, you would not just find beauty, you will find yourself. Thank you very much. Have a great and beautiful day. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.